In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Wix site to a premium plan, removing ads automatically in the process. If you're looking to take your website to the next level with a cleaner and more professional look by eliminating those distracting ads, you're in the right place. First, let's navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access the account associated with the website you want to upgrade. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, a central hub from where you manage all your Wix sites. In the dashboard, look for the Upgrade button, which is usually located at the top, and click on it. This action will guide you to the pricing plans page, where you can view the various premium plans offered by Wix. Here, you'll find several options. Each plan comes with its own set of features and benefits, so it's important to choose one that best fits your needs. If you want a completely ad-free experience, make sure you pick a plan that explicitly includes ad removal. After selecting the desired plan, click on Select or Upgrade, which will lead you to the payment page. This is where you enter your payment details. Ensure you double-check your information to avoid any errors in your transaction. Also, make note of any ongoing promotions, as Wix occasionally offers discounts or deals on their premium plans. Applying these promotions can be a great way to save some money during your upgrade. Once your payment details are confirmed and processed, you'll receive a confirmation message from Wix. This page will confirm that your upgrade was successful. Now navigate back to your dashboard. You should notice that the ads have been removed from your website, giving it a much cleaner look. In addition to removing ads, enjoy other benefits like increased storage and additional customization features, depending on the plan you chose. Feel free to explore these new features and see how they can enhance your site's functionality and appearance. Whether it's increased bandwidth, more storage, or advanced customer support, these benefits can significantly improve how you manage your website and how visitors perceive it. If you encounter any issues during the upgrade process or have further questions about the premium plan features, don't hesitate to reach out to Wix support for assistance. They are generally very helpful and can offer guidance if you're stuck at any point. And there you have it, a simple way to upgrade your Wix site to a premium plan, removing ads, and improving your users' overall experience. Enjoy your newly enhanced website and make sure to regularly check for any updates or changes Wix might introduce to keep your site running